Hi, my name is Aditya Arun and this is our final year project, that is vertical axis wind turbine. My group members are Sarup Sud, Jayendra Pal, Ankit Kumar and Tasneef Ahmed. This is our BTech Mechanical final year project and which is guided by our senior faculty member Kedarnath Bairwa. Okay. In the vertical axis wind turbine, the main concept is the use of airfoil shaped wings. In this airfoil shaped wings, as you can see in an airfoil wing, when we open one side, it creates a vacuum or a space where when air or wind flows into that, it creates force which made it to move. Okay, this also works on the effect of Bernoulli's, as the flow of a fluid which creates a force and pressure to move that. As you can see, we have used three wings which are at equal angle, that is 120 degree between them, here and here. These all are at 120 degree. Here at the bottom we have used a dynamo which have 12 volt. Here L-shaped coupling. We have used L-shaped coupling. This is used because if we join this shaft directly to the dynamo, it would create wobbling effect. So to overcome those effects and to any type of breakdown, we have used L-clamp. As you can clearly see, this is directly connected to the dynamo, and there is a U-shaped clamp which is directly connected to the shaft, which gives it support completely. This is very beneficial for the area where the velocity of wind is low and the requirement of electricity is very high, as it can produce electricity at 45 RPM. It can produce 6 volt up to electricity. This is very effective to blow a bulb in a village where there is no flow of wind.
As you can see here, the dynamo is given below here.
Finish. The future scope is of this, that the region where the velocity of wind is very low or negligible, we can use this concept. But disadvantage is that where the wind velocity is very high, there is a problem to control this object. So we have to use other supports or a stopper. As the total cost for making this in a home is not more than 5,000 to 7,000, which a person can easily afford. So thank you.